Good afternoon, everyone. How are we doing today? I thought that I would start the vlog. It is Monday, so we're starting the vlog at the very beginning of the week. I hope you're okay with that. I don't know. So guys, I have been losing my mind all day long, and I've just been like so nervous and just so like in my chest, just like because I have probably one of the most exciting packages arriving today that I think I've ever shown on this page, on this channel. It's gonna be my most exciting unboxing to date. And of course I'm gonna show the vlog first, like, hello. But then I'm gonna be doing like a separate actual unboxing. But guys, it's a handbag, okay? I have been wanting this handbag since it came out, like since I knew about it. But number one, it's impossible to find. You can't get it. It's not available anymore. It's from Chanel. I know that I've said so many times that I'm over Chanel. I don't want any more Chanel bags, blah, blah. Listen, I have said in the past that like I would toy with the idea of getting another Chanel bag if it was something like if I found like the one. Guys, I found the one. I got it on Fashion File, from Fashion File. I ordered it on Friday and it should be arriving today. I'm like losing my mind. My heart's been like beating 90 miles an hour today because I've just been freaking out because this morning when I woke up, it did not say out for delivery. It didn't say out for delivery until 9:15 and I was losing my mind. I called UPS twice to be like, where is my package? What's happened to it? Because I've heard so many horror stories about UPS or USPS or FedEx employees stealing packages, especially if they know what it's from. Anyways, it's a Chanel bag. I don't want to get too excited because I don't have it physically in my hands, and it is secondhand, so it has been used, but it was still in excellent condition on Fashion File. And I looked at it, like it looked amazing on the website, like it didn't look like it had a lot of issues or really any issues. So it was still in like excellent condition. I got this bag for such a good price as well. I know that I've said that I wouldn't shop like at the boutique because like who's gonna pay 11 grand for a handbag? You're not going to believe it. Like you're not prepared. You're not ready. But I will just say this. It's going to be hands down my favorite handbag in my collection. When I get this bag, and as long as everything goes well after I inspect it and everything, it will 1 million billion % be my favorite handbag in my collection, without a doubt. I'm so nervous. Like I feel like I just want to like scream. It's almost 2. It's 1:50 at the moment and they haven't arrived yet. So anyways, hi. That's been a very interesting start to this vlog. I'm going to eat lunch. I ordered some jalapeno poppers from Papa John's last night and I need to like stress eat those right now. Also because it's lunchtime and I'm hungry, but like I just need to do something. So I'm gonna go eat and then I'll come back to you a little bit later. Hopefully the next time I see you, I'll have the box in my hands. Hello everyone, it's a bit later now, so I am, I can't even explain how excited I am at the moment. So I am going to do a quick little unboxing with you guys. I want the vlog to see this first, just, you know, to give you incentive to watch the vlog because you guys get to see unboxings and really cool stuff first. I've already looked at it, inspected it. She's perfect. You guys are not going to believe it. You're literally you're not ready. You're not ready. So again, like I said, this is something that I would have not have bought full price. I don't understand how I was able to get a good deal on a handbag like this. And plus I did end up selling a couple of my other bags before, and I have two that are up for sale right now that are listed on my Poshmark. I'll link those down below if you want to go check those out. But before I actually do the unboxing, I do want to kind of do a little story time, I guess, as to how I was able to get this bag. We did taxes the other day. We saved up a lot of money for taxes, but it ended up we were able to write more off than we thought we were going to be able to. So put a little bit of the tax money that we got back, well, not got back, we didn't actually get anything from the government, but we got to keep a little bit more than what we expected from our savings. So love that. Again, here we go. It's from Fashion File. Here is what the little packaging looks like. Again, I've already unboxed this and looked at it, and it's like literally my favorite thing. Again, I'm going to show the vlog first, and then I will be doing like a normal sit down video showing you like measurements, what fits inside, all that good stuff. But here's the Fashion File dust bag. You guys are not ready. You're not ready? Do you know what this means? Do you know what this kind of bag is? Oh my God, you guys. So this bag, if you may know, is the Chanel Classic Flip dust bag that you only get with a Classic Flip. And I said in a few videos, not a few videos ago, but I have said in a few videos recently that like I wasn't buying any more Chanel stuff, which I fully stood on until I saw this bag at this price. And then I was like, I don't know, but could you see it? Guys. I cried so many tears when I got handed this by the UPS driver. I didn't cry in front of the UPS driver, but I cried once I got it back in the house. This is, if you can see, you can definitely probably see it, you guys. This is a small Chanel Classic Flap in like this beautiful caramel color. This is part of the 21P collection. So it's not like new. It's not like a 2023 or anything. It came out in 2020/2021. And I can't get over it. It's in like perfect condition. Now there are a couple of things on this bag that I guess you can consider flaws. Maybe that's why they had it marked down, but they're not like that noticeable. Like, to be honest, you genuinely can't even really tell. There is like a decent like scratch on the hardware, but then again, I don't care that much. There is like a pin mark on the inside, but it's very minimal, and there's like a tiny little bit of fraying up on the top here, but again, you just can't tell. She still looks to be like in almost pristine condition. Like, she looks so good. And then when you wait. Here is what she looks like on the inside, you guys. You've seen Chanel Classic Flap probably, so you know what she looks like on the inside. There's the double flap, and you got the CC right there. She is made in France. This is like my prized possession. I have been like wanting a newer Chanel Classic Flap for so long. As you guys know, I do have my black vintage one, which I love and adore, and I think it's amazing, and I just absolutely love that bag. But I've been wanting a new one. Not like I want a new one, I wanted like a newer version, just because I love the puffy texture, the quilting on the new versions, or the newer ones, the modern versions. That's my baby. This has pretty much become my favorite handbag in my entire collection, and it will probably remain until I get a Birkin. And then the Birkin will become my favorite handbag in my collection. But yeah, as of right now, she is hands down my favorite handbag in my collection. Here's the back. Again, she is a small, she's not a medium, so she's the same size as my black vintage one. That's what I'm going to show for now, and then again, I will do like a proper video, like going over measurements and what fits inside her and all of that, and like ways you can wear her. I'll do like a more in-depth video when I do my full sit-down video, but I just wanted to show the vlog first, and I hope that you liked seeing this. Let me know what you think of her. I'm obsessed. She's like my baby now. I need to cut off this tag because I'm not returning her. Oh, and also she does come with the authenticity card as well, which I absolutely love. I was so happy when I saw that it came with the authenticity card. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go eat dinner now and I'll come back to you when something else fun happens, probably tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It is a couple of days later, actually. I hope that this light isn't bothering you too much. I just woke up. As you can tell, I'm just like not making much sense. Yeah, I just woke up and I was gonna come in here and pick my next read because I finally finished Magnolia Parks. You should go check out my book talk. I'll have it linked. Well, I'll put my book talk handle right here, and then I'll link it in the description. So you should go check out my book talk if any of you are interested in books or book reviews, because guys, I have a lot of thoughts about this book. Needless to say, is this book super toxic? Would I ever deal with a man like BJ in this book? No. Absolutely not. Not in a million years. But I tabbed this book so much. I had a lot to say about things that happened in this book. Anyways, I am going to go. Well, I'm not going to go. I'm going to go pick out my next read. I don't know what I want to do because I feel like I need like a thriller. I need something that's like really fast paced. So I think I'm gonna go over here to my little thriller section and I'm either going to read the final book in the Natural series. I love that series, it's so good. Or I'm going to read another Frida McFadden book because the last Frida McFadden book I read, it was called Never Lie. Loved it, thought it was really good. All right, so Magnolia Parks, you can go back down here. There we go, and then here are the other ones. We have the final book in the Natural series, Bad Blood. Everyone and their mom has said that this one is fantastic, and with what we found out at the end of All In, I really kind of want to go on to this one and read this one because I have a feeling that it's going to blow my mind. So I think I'm going to read this, and I think I'm going to tab this book as well because this is, with it being the final book. I know I tabbed the first book. I got this book in Italy and I tabbed this one. So with it being the last book in the series, I think I should totally tab it. Let's go get tabs. This is what I'm settling on. You probably are gonna be like, oh my god, that's it? That's not very many. It's because I don't have the colors that I really would have liked to use. Because I like for the tabs to like somewhat match the cover. The only red that I had was the Magnolia Parks red, the one that I used for my last book. That was a perfect red for this book, but I didn't have enough. I only had like maybe 3 or 4 more tabs, and like I don't want like the tab color to change like just randomly throughout the book, so I had to stick with this. But now I'm going to pick out a bookmark. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and end this vlog today because there is something happening next week that I want to start a new vlog for. I love this cup. I also got this one from Lila's Playground. So freaking cute. And then also really quick, I wanted to show you a couple of books that I got in the mail. I got these from Etsy, and to be totally honest, I'm not like super happy with them. I think the craftsmanship, like what the girl did, like the artistry is good, but like I don't know what happened, if it was just like really beat up and USPS kind of like destroyed them, or if she just sent me really beat up copies. I don't know. But this first one's Belladonna. I love the UK covers. I think this is the UK cover of Belladonna. I love these covers. The special part is that it has really pretty sprayed edges, and I think it's gorgeous. The sprayed edges are very nice. I think the girl did a really good job. But like if you can see up here, it's like really bent and dented in, and it's just not in very good conditions, this book. And it makes me really sad because like I really wanted to display these, but to be honest, they kind of look like doo-doo butt, and I don't really want to display them. Here's Foxglove. This is the second book in that series. I don't know if it's a duology or if it's ongoing. This one's really cute. I love the sprayed edges on this one. If I did display it, I would probably just display it with the sprayed edges out just in my bookshelf like this, so you could only see the sprayed edges. But that's it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Oh my god, it's been such an insane vlog. That Chanel bag has now become my entire personality. I am obsessed with it. I love it more than pretty much anything I own except for my dogs. I love that handbag so much. But anyways, that's gonna be the vlog for this week, you guys. I hope that you did enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part was. Let me know if you like the Chanel unboxing or the Oppen unboxing. Just leave me a comment down below telling me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!